today we are going to go on the Wendella boat tours, which is basically a tour of the architecture of the city, any historical sites, and just an overall tour. And I'm very excited because we're going to get to see a lot of really cool stuff, and we're going to get a boat ride, which is fun. It's always fun. And we're going to, show you guys everything that we're seeing as well. So today we got a couple of activities to do, and we will be filming as we go along, and so you guys can see too.
Yes, I'll show the background scenes. The boat we are gonna take, it's the company called Wendella, and it's like a 90 minutes tour, and they're gonna show all the beautiful architectures of Chicago, and they're going to explain the history behind all these buildings. Look at this, what we got. Trump Mama building. Yes. Ding 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 ding.
Oh, you're really I never know.
Morning. లొకేషన్ అయితే చాలా ఈజీ గైస్, ట్రంప్ టవర్స్ పక్కనే ఇది. సో వెండెల్లా బోట్ రైడ్స్, మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి డైరెక్ట్ టికెట్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే ఆన్లైన్లో బుక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నేను రికమెండ్ చేసేది అయితే ఆన్లైన్లోనే, ఎందుకంటే ఆఫర్స్ పెడతారు అప్పుడప్పుడు. సో ముందుగా బుక్ చేసుకుంటే కొంచెం డబ్బులు సేవ్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ గెట్ రెడీ.
The river is green because of all the algae. Okay, young man, I got a question for you. How much does that bridge weigh? 16,000 tons is correct. Well done, sir. Well done. All right. We're getting ready to do our tour. I love the Wrigley building. Hey, guys, take a quick look at the Tribune Tower on the right. Quick. They converted that building into condominiums. You can live there. You got $7 million in your pocket? There's also, if you're from Chicago, we call that the corn cobs. Well done, Wayne. I got to tell you, the building was built in my vintage, 1965 and 1967. The largest concrete office structure in the United States. What's the largest? The Pentagon in the back row. Excellent work. Here's your next question. How big is the Pentagon? Beautiful structure is by Santiago Caltrava. Now, you want to see the weirdest building on your tour? Look on the left side. I'm hearing you on my microphone. The weirdest building on your left is very skinny. Are you ready for this? Everybody who lives in that building lives on this side. If you drive a Cherokee Red, what was his favorite wood? Cypress. You're doing quite well, sorta. Now, this is that Ferris Wheel that has more bridges in Chicago that open. That city's in Europe. What's the name of it? Oh, London's don't open. Who said Amsterdam? Raise your hand. How many bridges open? Beautiful reflections. I've been doing something different on my tour. Look way out at this. It bends with the river. They call that contextual 74. And in case you're wondering, the pink building in front of it is the tallest building. The building was built in 1988. It's called River City. It was converted back to apartments. The Great Chicago Fire started on the right side. Mrs. O'Leary's barn. By the way, 17,000 buildings were destroyed. 100,000 people were homeless, a third of our population, and 300 people died in that fire. $1.3 billion. What's your Beanie Babies worth? How that would be?
ఇక్కడ బోట్లో కింద చిన్న బార్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడైతే డ్రింక్స్ అవన్నీ దొరుకుతాయి, ఎవరైనా తాగాలనుకుంటే తాగొచ్చు. బట్ లైన్ మాత్రం పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అండ్ వాష్రూమ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి కిందే.
The famous Chicago bean. It is a metal bean. I don't even know why they put a bean in the middle of Chicago. There's a history behind it, I know, but I just don't know what it is. But look how cool that is. It's definitely a tourist hot spot. As you guys can see, there's no corona here. Not anymore.
Such a vibe. That's what's like, whatever, I'll go to the game by myself.
It's a very nice day. The weather is perfect. Like 77, I think. It's really nice. Can you find us? Where are we? Where could we be? Hi! Here we go.
Let's try it like this,
This is what the bean looks like from the center, underneath it basically. We are like underneath the structure. So. And this is me. This is Hari.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Hey guys, so we're gonna go on this humongous Ferris wheel. I haven't been on a Ferris wheel since I was a little girl. And this one is huge. We're gonna see some very good views.
వెల్కమ్ టు ది జాయింట్ వీల్. షికాగోలో ఉన్న ఈ ఫెరీస్ వీల్ అమెరికాలో మొట్టమొదటి జాయింట్ వీల్ అనమాట. దీన్ని అయితే 1893 సంవత్సరంలో నిర్మించారు. దాదాపు 110 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత డిమాలిష్ చేసి మళ్ళీ కొత్తది కట్టారనమాట. సో ఇదైతే అమెరికాలో అతిపెద్ద జాయింట్ వీల్ అండ్ అతి పురాతనమైనది కూడా. Okay, that's it guys. So this is the last video of Chicago tour, and thank you so much for supporting us, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.